Happy Sunday afternoon. I was on TikTok and I saw this advertisement for lark patisserie. So I went there. I got two of them, the mango and the Russian tart. I'm excited. It's no makeup Sunday. Oh, look. I wish you could see it, but you're watching this all live. This is so cute. Look, this is the Russian tart. And it came with the little dish. How cute is that? Chocolate's good. And I got, look, it's a mango. I'm excited. This is the box it came in. I think I'm going to try the mango first. But look how cute this is. And it traveled easy. The bottom, it was sticking to the box so it didn't shift. So I'm excited. It smells good. It has like a hard layer. I don't know how messy or clean it will be, so here we go. Oh, look. It broke so easy. Oh, it has a hard shell. Look. Delicious. The best dessert I've had that I can think of. Nothing compares. That was amazing. It's non-measurable. It's delicious. And then this is the Russian tart. It's chocolate. I love it. I went there for this, but then I saw the mango and it's like, yes, please. Ooh, this one's soft. Okay. Oh, it's the center. Ooh. As for favoritism, if you want a delectant, chocolate rich, not overly sweet, get the Russian tart. If you want a fruity, light, soft in the middle, hard outer shell, get the mango one. Both delicious. They're worth it. I got this and a red velvet latte, which I drank on my way home. And with tip, about $30. Worth it. This, I'm so happy. That was worth the trip. Well, I'm going to enjoy the rest of this off camera. Yeah, I think I'll eat both of them and then do like a 3-time workout. Oh, hell, I'm gonna have another bite of the mango one. And it's so cool. Oh, look. It starts to ooze out. That's the shell. Mmm. They definitely need to be kept cool. I'm gonna have another bite of the chocolate one too. Ooh, add some of the mango in there. I don't want to combine those flavors. Not yet, anyway. Let's see. Mm. Yep. This was delicious. Okay. Well, thank you for enjoying my dessert and no makeup Sunday. I went to Lark Patisserie in Oklahoma City. Amazing. Again, there's no level for it, but 10 out of 10, 100 out of 100, 2,000 out of 1. Bravo. Thank you. Worth it. Love you. Bye.